Okay, some of you guys asked me about all this makeup and whatnot and what I do, and I'm really just not doing much with this. It's not that difficult to put makeup on. Nobody really cares what it looks like. They just want you to have it on, I guess, is what I'm noticing. It doesn't take me much time. Sorry, I'm in a hurry, so I gotta comb my hair and and try to show you guys this before my little baby bird gets home from school, because I have somewhere to go and I need him to, supposed to be doing some video with him. But anyway, so I really can, I'm gonna try this like one-handed because that's how I would do it at the gym. No, it's not morning, so it's afternoon because I literally stayed in my whatever I had on. Sometimes I do this with my it doesn't matter if it goes on top, I don't think. I go back the other way. Figured for any of you artists, it just evens it out. I need to do my mustache, but I don't know where the little thing is right now. So that's on there. And I got this little stuff. Is it even the right color? I don't know. Ain't nobody looking that hard. Who cares? Brush it or blow it. I figure whoever is looking that hard should get me a professional and the time. But my little baby bird is on his way home. And since I share him already with his dad and all of his friends and loving community, I like to be hands-on when he gets here, and I still have to run errands. So the time that I do spend with him, I try to make it quality. That was a little long on the little powder sesh, but I got lost thinking about my baby bird. Shake that hair, shake that hair. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, clump that together for all you naturals out there. Don't use the towel on it. It'll frizz it up. I just shake it. You can drop it into the squat too. Headbanger San Diego's. Yeah. And that's how I get it like I want it. All right, next up. What do we have next? Bam. Doesn't matter what kind. Nope. That's why I didn't show you. So, is it name brand? Yes. Why? Because I was already in there. Hit that like that. Boom. I was already in the name brand place because I like their lipsticks. Why? Because you don't have to put it on all day. Bam. But this, which order am I going in? I don't know. Put the lightest at the top. That's what I was always taught. So boop, boop, hit the nose with it. Lightest on top. Blend that in. Doesn't matter if it's too much. Only if it's too much for you. It's like you can paint the whole side of your face if you want to. Bam. Just like that, it's done. All this makeup. Just makeup. I'm done with it. Put it on, make it how you like it. I try to make sure I can keep my heart rate up while doing it. Two birds, one stone. What else do I need? I like color on my eyes. So I take one of these little things. You can just put it on here with, and my nose is itching. I just dap it on here like this. And my fingers, finger paints. Wow, a little too much over there. Wipe it, we don't want to waste it. Yeah, keep your heart rate up. Still burning some calories, I'm sure. Bam. All that does is make it sticky. You can put anything up there if you really want to. And a lot of times I pick the lipstick before, so I can decide what color Lysine. decide what color eyeshadow, because sometimes my eyeshadow does not match my clothes because I am not dressed. So it doesn't really matter too much to me if it matches my clothing or not. Another shake. Apparently you need to brush this down. My barber told me. I didn't realize that you need to do that. Yep. Keep it classy, trained. Even though it's a shortcut, it still needs to be maintained. Let them know that you care about yourself a little bit. Yes, that goes into my makeup time. I know, my hair grooming. That's all one and the same to me. So, I know, all one in the same timing. Now, where do I go? 5 minutes? Oh my goodness, Muncie. I'm not doing well. I need both hands to get this down. I'm almost out of this stuff. It's like a primer. Am I going to buy a new one? Yes. When? When I'm all the way out. Why? That's just how I roll. People have been liking this color on me. My ex-husband said this was cute, so I'm going to go with this one. Even though I like it too, it's growing on me. It's like metallic-ish. I zip that on. Zip, zip, zip. Like that. Everybody's always, oh, your lips. People don't like the shape of their lips. They're always like, oh my gosh, wish my lips were different. Accept them. That's all you got. Draw them. If you don't like what you have. Or plump them. Or do whatever. But make yourself happy. Best thing to do is just accept them. But we're not all there yet. People used to try to make me feel some kind of way because I have a big old top lip. Black women should have this and should have that. I'm like, who the hell told you that? Okay. No, I should have exactly what I have. I'll take that little mustache off in a minute. If I want to. It depends on if my little word gets home first. So, bingo. All these colors zip. Then I'm just going to say I like this one. So I'm going to go with... Let's go with yellow. Boop. Boop. Put some up here. I need my eyebrows done. But I'll probably try those myself too. Oh, maybe I should just go get an outline and then keep that up. I don't know. Oh, I don't really, OCD makes me like, I don't want to mess up the brush strokes. 8 minutes? Oh my gosh, it's taking forever. Jeez, we gotta get done with this. Don't rush yourself, you little Buddhas. You little ninjas, you. Don't you do it. Don't rush. Okay, stay where we are. Let's see where we're gonna go with here. Put a little bit more. Why not? Be hella extra with your life. It's yours. Enjoy it. Being here with it. Bring it out some with this yellow. Bop. Oh, I thought I dipped it in the green. Okay, bop that in there like that. Wipe it on your napkin. And then where are we gonna go? I think we should drop a little bit of blue. Oh, let's go with blue. Why not? Jazz this puppy up. I want a lot of this blue. Bop. Let's put it in here crazy, like zip. Just zip it in there just like this. This is like a pretty aquamarine-ish teal. That was not in the palette that I just showed you. Palette, group of colors of, for you guys who don't put makeup on, like me and my friends didn't really do this stuff. We just, wasn't really our thing. But then we realized, oh, it's pretty. And you can do it quickly. Yep. That's actually this raggedy thing. Probably something my daughter left here at this house when she moved out. Not this house, but when she still lived at home. I don't know. I always just use people's old extra stuff for this. Not actual like eyeliner or anything, because that stuff make you break out. But get a sty real quick. Get a sty from way back, yeah. You won't be using all everybody's makeup, but you can sanitize them like they do at MAC or whatever. Or Sephora or anywhere else. You know, it's a little bit light in there. Darken that up a bit. Bop. Just like that. Let's see. Let's see what I think. Let's see what I think. I think it needs a little bit of something in here. What do we need? What do we need? Ew, let's do a little pinky. Pink tiara? I don't know why it needs pink, but it does. It does. It needs a little right in there. Dippy dip. On the tippy tip. Tone it down. Bop. And yes, I'm loving it. I am loving it. Why not? Just like that. Done with this. 11 minutes on this Kizzy clock. I do have to stop and put my oil on during this time because I do that. So, see if I can do this with one hand. It takes me a little longer with one hand. One drop, two drops. Yeah, I got to keep the sandalwood. Sandalwood will definitely keep me, what does it keep me? Balanced? Oh, it keeps me centered. Got to put a little patchouli on. 12 minutes, Muncie. 12 minutes. I need to be grounded. I better put 3 on for that. I usually only do 2, but this week has been a challenge. Don't let that hair clump up. Don't let that hair clump up. I hit it from the back. Wow. Just like that. Okay, let's see. Ooh, put in my little secret. You guys that mess with me on that level, yeah, I put a little of that on there. Boop. Gotta have your specialty stuff. And then where am I going? Hit it. Hit it. You know where to find it. Okay, so what else do we have? That goes there. You know, I don't know. People have all these different opinions as to what you do up here with this stuff and what order it goes in. I don't think it matters. I just slap up here. Oh man, you can spend all day. You really can. Well, I can't, but occasionally I do. Why not? It doesn't make a difference. Whatever makes you happy. You want to spend all day on makeup? Do that. You don't. This is the one people were like, oh my gosh, Kiara, what do you do next? I didn't know how to do anything with some, what is this? Liquid liner. And I was using a different one, so this thing is new to me. I just got it when I went to refill makeup. But here we go. Let's act like we know. Come out here with it, bop. Yeah. Go down. It's your eyes. Let's see if you can see. Just do it how you want it. Whew. And then you come over to the other side and bop that one too. Bop. Bop. That's how I do it. It don't matter. It really doesn't. Just paint that in like this. Zip. The kids don't care. The kids don't care. They just want you to say, oh, Miss Tiara, you're so pretty. And I say, oh, I put it on for you. And the ladies say, oh, I love it. And I say, I put it on for you too. Now let's put it on for each other. But most importantly, I put it on for me. Most importantly, I put it on for myself. I just relax into it. I want to make sure you can appreciate that eye work. For real, just like that, easy. It doesn't have to be perfect, ladies and gentlemen, because we know we got gentlemen on here too. It doesn't have to be perfect to anybody but you. And just like that, it's perfect to me. Hit those eyelashes one more time. Yes. Love it. Worked up a sweat too. Just like this. Usually I wipe it somewhere here on my face because I'll try to get finished. Or something will distract me because I'm not being mindful or present. But that time, not the case. Maybe he helped me out today. Technically, I'm done, but I'm going to go through and add a little bit more. Because some of my ladies would say this isn't finished. And I'm trying to see if I like it like this. Sometimes I dip this in the liner also. I make it really dark. Why? Because it's evening. But I would wear it in the morning also if I wanted to. And I don't really mess with this eye too much just because it's already little and it needs a little bit of loving anyway. So I don't really like to play with it. Ain't that right? Well, it looks like there's my baby bird at the door. So I need to greet him and get his food ready. So if you're into that, stay tuned for that. If not, let me fluff that hair up. And that was 17 minutes. Wow. From beginning to end, that's how it does, how you can do. All right, love. Take care.